If you've been envious of tradies and their nail guns, then get excited, RYOBI fans. The RYOBI 18V ONE Framingnailer is here. It uses RYOBI's AirStrike technology and a powerful HP motor to drive trade quality framing nails. It's completely cordless, so there's no need for noisy compressors and long hoses, or expensive gas cartridges that need constant replacing. What's more, it can fire 3 nails every couple of seconds, depending on how quickly you squeeze the trigger. And it can fire up to 750 nails on a 4 amp hour battery. The magazine holds up to 60 framing nails, from 50 to 90 millimeters. A great feature is the dry fire lockout. It activates when there's only 7 nails left in the magazine. This helps to avoid jams. If you're skewing nails, the contact tip has spikes that add grip. It also has a removable pad. So, by now you've probably thought of a few projects where this framing nailer would be awesome. So, what are you waiting for? RYOBI's really nailed it with their new 18V ONE HP framing nailer.
RYOBI, a cut above.